friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen zucchini fries in the air fryer. So let me open up a package of frozen zucchini fries. No need to defrost them, the air fryer will cook them straight from frozen. I'm going to take out the air fryer basket and put zucchini fries in the air fryer in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 12 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's shake the fries so they cook more evenly. And put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the zucchini fries. Look at that, they're so nicely browned and so crispy. Air fryer cooks them to perfection. Let me take them out of the air fryer. These are the crispiest zucchini fries ever. So nicely browned. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. So crispy, amazing. You're going to love cooking frozen zucchini fries in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!